What is up again, everybody? Steve here with his cards again. We're back to the Chronicles. We're going to go again with the blaster box. So Portland just beat out Memphis in the play-in game. So that means that Portland is in. Folks, don't be stunned if they shock the Lakers. They're on a tear. DeAndre Hunter. Oh, we're getting a prism. They're short print, guys. Nikhil Alexander, Terrence Davis. I was told that it's actually rare to get him. Luca and Rui. Another Cam Johnson. Keldon. We got a Nasser Little, and a Tyler Hero, and Kawhi Leonard. Another Cameron Johnson, Cam Reddish, Kobe White. Got a Kawhi Leonard and Brandon Clark. LeBron James coming up. Giannis. Kevin Porter Jr. to LeBron James. Nice. Kawhi Leonard, Cam Reddish, a Silver Sekou. Silver Sekou. And Anthony Davis, R.J. Barrett. I'm going to do these two real quick. These have been really nice boxes. I think all of them that I've really liked all of them. Even the freaking 2 autograph one that I didn't really hit a autograph. Nice. John Morant. John Morant. Even though he just got knocked out of the playoffs today, folks. Luka. Pink. Darius Garland. Jimmy Butler. Daniel Gafford. Trae Young. Another Terrence Davis. Donruss. Jarrett Culver. Cam Reddish. DeAndre Hunter. Another Barrett in the back. Kobe White in the front. Sekou. Brandon Clark. Giannis. R.J. Barrett. All right, guys. That's going to do it for that box. But guess what? We're going to keep it rolling with another box of this. We're going to go with another blaster. We're going to keep it going. Keep the videos going. And we didn't hit no Zion in that one, so that was a dry. We hit everybody else though, huh? Say we because I include you all in these. PJ Washington. Okay, we got Romeo Langford. Oh. So you do get autos out of, I mean, who is he? Anybody know? Good. Interesting. Too bad it wasn't somebody that, we knew and liked. Kendrick Nunn. Hitting a lot of hits. Zion, baby. Pink. Pink lettering this time. Then a Kevin Porter Jr., Anthony Davis, Brandon Clark to finish it out. And another Zion. Anthony Davis. Jackson Hayes. Tyler Hero. Cody Martin. That's what we're talking about. That's who we want to be hitting, guys. We want to be hitting Zion. Ja Morant on the back. Got a Giannis, Trae Young, Garland, Jimmy Butler again, Ja Morant. Kendrick Nunn, Eric Pascal, another Taco Fall, Prism. Hit one of those earlier already. Well, not today, but different box. Kevin Porter Jr. Got a Tyler Hero, Brandon Clark, Kevin Durant, Giannis. Matisse Thybulle. Sekou. Jordan guy again. Carson Edwards. Rui. Another Kendrick Nunn. Kevin Porter Jr., Nikhil Alexander, Edwards, and Cam Reddish. All right, folks, we're down to this left. I'm going to stop this video, go right straight to Chronicles, the Silo packs.